Southern California Police Department's expensive Cybertruck purchase has people pissed. Public records show that the Irvine Police Department paid over $153,000 for its Cybertruck. What's worse is that it seems like the department attempted to keep the amount secret, as the department was being tight-lipped about the exact amount without the filing of a public records request. The price includes the base price of the Cybertruck in the law enforcement conversion. When asked about the amount, the department seemed to make excuses for it. The department claims the Cybertruck will be used for public engagement and drug discouragement programs like Dept. The public and experts see it differently, with some saying the funds used for the truck would have been better spent elsewhere. Spending $150K on such a high-performance vehicle for a program like Dept seems very excessive.